Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and today we're going to be unboxing the TigerTough Iron Weave seat covers for Ford Transit Connect, so let's get into it. All right, so this is the TigerTough Iron Weave seat covers from TigerTough. This fits the 2010 to 2017 Ford Transit Connect. We got them in black. The part number here is 52122BLK. They just changed their part numbers to have BLK for black instead of just B. But this is going to be the same if you got the 52122 GRY or TAN or any other color. It's going to be the same exact fit. Now these are year, make, model specific. They are designed to precision designed rather to fit the seats within your particular vehicle. So you need to make sure that you're selecting the right one, and every seat is different. And I think in 2017 or I guess in 2018 they made a change to the seat design in the Transit Connect, so it's a little bit different cut of the fabric and sewing and so forth. We ordered these in black, but you can get them in gray or tan. Got a nice little installation guide here included. And the thing about this fabric is it's 1000 Cordura denier, which is basically a material that cannot rip or be cut or anything like that. It's indestructible. And so, a lot of times in materials, you'll hear the term mil spec, which is basically this meets or exceeds military specifications. And this Cordura material, denier Cordura material, far exceeds those standards, and so it's going to be something that's going to last you for a long time. So I've got the bottom seat cover for, let's see, this just said it, yeah, passenger. So it's nicely labeled here, which cover goes where. We've got a nice little TigerTough logo here. We've got an airbag location here. That's the nice thing about these seat covers, is that they work with the airbags in the seat. They're designed to tear along. You can see the seam here is a different color. It's white. And so it's designed to actually tear there when the airbag deploys, so that you still get all the safety features from your seat. Let's see, we got the driver's side seat bottom here, and then we've got our headrests, driver and passenger. So it comes with a headrest cover as well, which in a van, work truck can get especially greasy and gross, and so it's nice to have that coverage there. Then we've got our driver's side and our passenger side seat back cover here. Actually, I may have this the wrong way. This is the seat bottom, this is the top of the seat, and this is the headrest cover. And you can see kind of on this material here, they've got Velcro straps that are used for securing the fabric together. Then you also have these drawstrings here that pull it tight with a little string locker mechanism here to keep that string nice and tight, so this seat cover isn't going to shift or move around or anything like that. These are a tight fit. So like I said, they are precision designed for your specific seat in your specific vehicle. So you need to make sure that you choose the right one. Don't make any assumptions that this is going to fit your van. Reach out to us. We'll make sure that you get the right cover for your van, because there's all different variations. In our Transit Connect, the passenger seat folds flat, and so this is designed to work with that. It also has an armrest on the driver's side, and so this has a little spot for the armrest here. And so it's very important that you select the right options when checking out and purchasing your seat covers. So we got a nice black material here. Like I said, you can get it in gray or in tan. Pretty simple unboxing here. Like I said, this material is really designed. TigerTough, they've really made a name for themselves in law enforcement. So, police officers, first responders, ambulance drivers, and things like that will have TigerTough seat covers in their vehicles because they know they're strong. They know they're still protected with the integration with the airbag, and they know it's going to last for a long time. Made in USA in Minnesota, 2-year warranty on these. Another category that TigerTough is really popular in is in last mile delivery. So if you use your cargo van for making deliveries, parcel deliveries, where you're in and out of the vehicle 50, 100, 200 times a day, that just wreaks havoc on your seat. And so TigerTough seat covers are the way to go there. And then of course in the work truck segment where you got tool belts on and you're in and out of the vehicle, you're dirty at the job site and things like that, you want to protect your investment of the vehicle, so you get a nice pair of seat covers that's going to protect everything. If you are looking for this product or any other equipment to upfit your cargo van so that it is work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name's Ryan, and have a good one.